Hey fellow explorers, I'm at the newest Japanese supermarket in Hawaii and I'm going to show you around. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I can see. This is DonPen Times on the island of Oahu. They just opened in November of 2024 and we'll take a look around here. We'll start with the produce section. You can see part of this, it used to be a Times supermarket. Times supermarket has been a Hawaii brand for a long time. Times supermarket was purchased by Pan Pacific International, which is the parent company of Don Quijote. Don Quijote is like the Walmart of Japan, Japan's biggest superstore. Their mascot is this penguin, DonPen, and you will see him all over the store right up here. And so they combined the new concepts, the two concepts together to make DonPen Times. And so in here, you'll find a lot of Japanese goods, but you'll find a lot of local Hawaiian goods too. And you'll find the DonPen penguin about everywhere you look. So you can see all the signs are new, all the aisles are new, but definitely the floor and some of those things, old, original from the original Times supermarket. Definitely one of my favorite sections of any Japanese supermarkets is the drink section. And so they've got all your standard American drinks, Coke, Pepsi, soda, juices. But then back here, they've got the Japanese drinks. You can get your Ito and beverages right up here. Some of my favorites. I get the oolong tea in the cans, strawberry milk tea. You get the Hawaiian Lion Brew coffee, the UCC coffee. So lots of great Asian drinks over in this corner. And of course, they've got the classic Aloha made drinks here if you want more of the local Hawaiian tastes, maybe your Fuji apple or your Aloha iced tea. In this section, we have the big Japan grocery section. So you've got big bags of rice, you've got different sauces, you got all the rice you could want. And as we continue down this way, we've got noodles, ramen on the right-hand side. Get your popular instant bowl of soba. By the way, we check out some of the prices of fresh goods. You'll notice things are quite expensive here in Hawaii compared to the mainland of the USA. As we go down this way, this is the seaweed aisle. So we have dried seafood, we have dried seaweed. You can get like a pack of dried seaweed here to make your omasubi right there, your little rolls of rice, your teriyaki nori, your soy sauces. By the way, on the note of soy sauces, it's in Hawaii because they also have Aloha soy sauce. This is the local Hawaiian brand of soy sauce that definitely tastes better if you're having poke or things like that in Hawaii. Hi there. Sorry for the pause. I just got interrupted by some fellow explorers that wanted to take a selfie, and I always appreciate that. So for those of you that I just met at this store, it was great to see you. All right, so back in this section, we've got cold drinks, we've got beers and milks. We'll see those prices in a moment. This is the Pinoy Express. So this is the Filipino section of goods over here, where we've got your Bihon Guisado mix, you've got your coconut milk, you've got Thai black and glutinous rice. What have we got over here? Some mung bean vermicelli. We've got some soups down here. And then over here in the milk section, this is how you know you're in Hawaii. How much does a gallon of milk cost? $13.49 regular price, on sale for $8.99. Milk is expensive here. All right, this is the frozen meat section, frozen meats. So we get some, what do we got down here? Hawaii meat beef bones, so meat from Hawaii. We've got all natural chicken parts. We've got yogurt and eggs. Let's go check out the price of some of these eggs over here, because there's another one. That's how you know you're in Hawaii. How much is a dozen eggs going to cost you? 18 eggs might cost you $8.49. A dozen eggs, when they're not on sale, $9.49. So yes, definitely these fresh goods more expensive out here. Over here in the meat section, in local favorites, what do we got? We got the canned ham. We got lots of hams in here. We've got kalua pork. We've got pork lau lau, chashu pork, Chinese style roast pork with skin, pork lau lau. So lots of good Hawaiian goods over here. We probably find some linguiça here eventually too. We got the big seafood section where you can get your shrimp or your crab, your big pieces of fish. And then over here we have the poke counter where you can get all sorts of fresh poke by the scoop, poke nachos, poke bowls, all pretty delicious. This section is the sushi section. If you are into sushi, you can get lots of this pre-made sushi here. We've got some aburi salmon, 10-piece, $15. We can get the Hokkaido salmon roe for $20 from Japan. We've got some bluefin chutoro tuna, $16.99. We've got the fresh salmon, $7.99. We've got little sashimi pieces, product of the USA. That's not from Japan. We got the big piece of cooked octopus from Japan, $15.38. We have sakes over here. Soju first, then we have sakes, the Korean wine. And then we have more chilled Japanese drinks. Maybe you might be into more of the grape drinks, or you might be into more of the lemon teas. You want them cold, you want them uncold, maybe you want some boba tea up there in a can. Okay, the checkout stands are over that way, but let's go over here first and check out the Japanese candy and chocolates section. Because I don't know about you, but I like my Japanese candy. So they have a whole section of Japanese candy. You can see we've got the mini chocolates with Mount Fuji on them right here. And kind of in Don Quixote style, they give you these like interesting descriptions of stuff. So you know a little bit more about it. You can pick out some of those interesting things. Then we've got the standard candy section over here with your American candies, but also some more of the Asian candies too. Down this way we have Japanese snacks, which are maybe more like crackers. So this kalbi, these are like dried French fries, might be a way of calling it. So kind of like crispy French fry type things. And looks like this store's been open for about a week, and so it looks like they've already had quite a bit of their goods cleared out. And then on this side is more like Japanese biscuits. So they're kind of sweet, but not too sweet. We have over here, if you want your Pokemon cookie, you can get that because, you know what, it's going to be definitely this Pokemon. Or maybe you want your panda crackers right here. That's definitely the one I need to get, since I'm all about the pandas. All right, here we have some of these Hawaiian candies. You get your pineapple, your banana chips, your wild blueberries, lots of dried fruits. Down this way we have jelly snacks. So you kind of think of them as like the Japanese version of fruit snacks or something like that. So jellies in different fruit flavors. You can also get the jellies in these little tubes right here. Our daughter, the Curious Princess, she really loves these tube jellies. And then down here, we've got some nuts and some various crispy things, some seaweed tempura snacks, chili flavor, some popcorn, more of these dried snacks over here, kind of like like a bar mix or something like that. You might get just something to snack on. A whole section of these rice crackers. So these are all crackers that are made out of rice with some different seasonings and shapes added to them to make them unique. Here we've got more Filipino foods as well. And then as we get the Chinese and the Thai foods, Korean foods, and noodles. Now, because milk is so expensive, you'll find in the Hawaiian Islands a lot of condensed and canned milk products, just so that they can make things based on milk that are a little bit cheaper. Over here in the dairy section, in addition to hot dogs, we also find the linguiça, or the Portuguese sausage. Portuguese had a big influence on Hawaii, and so they love the Portuguese sausage here. They also love their Spam, their canned ham. How can you go wrong with ham in a can? All right, as we come down this aisle, this is more of your standard American goods, your ketchups, your mustards. But then like the salad dressings, there was also a section of Japanese salad dressings We already saw the rice aisle. That's why I ran into some of my fellow explorers. Let's go check out some of the frozen foods down the frozen foods aisle. You get your standard ice cream down here, but not just any ice cream. You get your Japanese taiyaki fish style ice cream. It's a frozen dessert sandwich in the shape of a fish. Japanese mochi, so that is going to be ice cream kind of like with a rice wrapper on it, so it kind of has a bit of a chewy taste and texture to it. We've got more of our standard ice creams and frozen veggies over this way, but we've also got our boba brown sugar bars right there. We also have our like orange popsicles, and I really like these frozen wafer sandwiches here, these mononokas, something like that they call it. It's like that fish back there, except it's not in the shape of a fish. It's like some ice cream wrapped in a waffle, usually with a little bit of chocolate inside. They've got self-checkouts in addition to regular checkouts, but if we go down this aisle, we're probably going to see some more of our classic Asian frozen foods after we get past pizzas and hamburgers and Sara Lee type things. And maybe they put it around the corner. Okay, well, let's look around the corner a moment. Here they've got different yakiniku sauces. This Jonet's brand, this is the Don Quixote, like, good deal, Jonet's. So you'll see that as the store brand right here, Jonet's, as the logo everywhere. If you want to take a shower while you're at the beach, you can get this portable pump shower for $27.99. Some cool ice packs. We've got some things for our portable stoves, and really, I'm actually surprised they don't have more frozen Japanese goods. That's really surprising. I would have expected to find gyoza and things like that. Maybe I just didn't find that aisle. We've got our standard American supermarket of cards and things like that. Then we have some more Japanese health goods over here. Japanese healthy teas. We've got Japanese foot care. We've got Japanese socks. We've got Don Quixote shirts, because of course when you come here, you're definitely gonna want a DonPen shirt. You definitely wanna get some socks that have some soy sauce and some eggs on it. You definitely wanna get your nano blocks. These are smaller than Lego type blocks. And then they've got a whole section of Sanrio characters. You'll recognize that as Hello Kitty. A whole section here of little lunch boxes, Pokemon, Totoro, chopsticks, and all those things. Things that you like, these hold wet wipes. So you got kids, you want wet wipes to carry with you. We've got lots of little stuffed animals right here. These little Shibas, the Shiba Inu is like the classic Japanese dog, which you can get the Shiba right there next to Mount Fuji. And you can even get some really cool chopsticks that have like a Siamese cat on them. That's that's just too cute. Get your reusable bags. We've got Kuromi, we've got My Melody, all the Sanrio characters. You can see this is just the super cutesy aisle. We get little headbands that you can get with the Hello Kitty characters. You can get nail files that are Hello Kitty. You can get hand mirrors that are Hello Kitty. You can get bath towels that are Hello Kitty. Actually, last time I was here in Hawaii, I got one of those bath towels for the Curious Princess, our 4-year-old daughter. Hello Kitty scissors, calculators, bags, little keychains, things you could just kind of decorate as accoutrement. Lots of pillows. These are just kind of like little round neck pillows right here that are all Hello Kitty, Sanrio baby shaped, but it's Hawaii, and so complement that with some leis or some bead necklaces. And then we've got some big bananas right here. Again, feel the tropical shape of the banana. You can get your DonPen stuffy right here, and he has a little bag with him, the Don Quixote bag. It's just around Christmas time, coming up soon, so they've got all their holiday stocking stuckers over this way. Pick up your snacks for the season. And then over here, they've got some kind of like Japanese desserts to go. We get these like fruit sandwiches that have strawberries, different fruits. and those are $6.49 each. And then this section, they've got like Japanese hot foods, so you get a lot of fried foods over here. Chicken plate lunches for $14. Wagyu chicken skewers that they grill up right there on that grill. You would find this to be more busy at lunchtime, getting close to the end of the day, so the plate lunch is definitely running out of steam a little bit. We have a few little bento boxes left. We can get some Japanese rice there for $3. Some butterfish bentos, some pork katsu bentos, some okonomiyaki, that's like a Japanese pancake for $6, some ebi sticks, and you can fill up your water bottles over there. And then there's a little bakery here in the back that you can get some fresh breads or some fresh island treats. A classic, if you've never been to Hawaii, are Ted's. They make some really great pies. Here you can only get the whole pie, but if you go up to the North Shore, you can get some Ted's pies by the slice if you're up by the Bonsai Pipeline at their original spot. And then few tables to eat in and some checkouts right over there. All right, well, fellow explorers, if you enjoyed this video and you want to check out some more of my videos from Hawaii, I'll put a few here up on the screen, including my travel guide to Oahu, or you might enjoy my walkthrough of Don Quixote Pearl City, like the really big mega Japanese supermarket on Oahu. You'll find it right here. As usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in one of these videos.